Yellow is such a great color to add into the garden, and you've got to be quite brave to put it in, but I really urge you to try and throw a bit of yellow in and around the garden. I've got 3 great examples of how you can add yellow into the garden. One are these little guys where you can buy them in little trays of 6 plants. It's called Portulaca, and you get it in this bright, vibrant yellow. These are very much low-growing plants, good for fillers and gaps, love the full sun. Put them into areas such as rockeries, pots, hanging baskets, or even in window boxes. They just love it. Minimal water, and they are going to rock your socks off because they flower all summer long. Another one of my favorites is this guy. It's called Bardens, and man, it's a fantastic plant. The only thing you've got to do to it is remember to keep removing the flowers once they have died off. So just literally just snap them off with your thumb and your forefinger. The more you do that, the more you're going to encourage more bud to come through. It's also low growing, nice and creeping, good to use it right on the edge of gardens, all right? Pots, hanging baskets as well, but a truly great plant that is no mess, no fuss, and you really will battle to kill that guy. And my third yellow, which is simply my favorite, is not yellow in flower, but yellow in foliage. And this is a lemon thyme. Oh man, you just smell that, it just pops with the fragrance. This is a golden lemon thyme, beautiful to use, not in the veggie and the herb garden. Guys, this is so spectacular. Look, it even gets little flowers, little mauve flowers right there. Oh, who wouldn't want that? What do you do with it? Watch here. Soon as I pop yellow next to something gray, look how that color pops. Absolutely gorgeous. Thyme, as we know, the more you pick it, the more it just spreads out and thickens out for you. In amongst a bit of white, popped in there, really just makes the garden jump out at you and pop with color. So add these guys to your garden to make sure that they're gonna pop all over.